name is Jairo Arriola with BRG Real Estate, and I'm excited to show you my newest listing here at 5706 Saxony Court in San Jose in the 95123 zip code. This property is located near shopping centers, some great restaurants, and the freeway. Also, before you walk in, I want you guys to envision the different updated and finishes to take this from just being a property into your home. I'm excited to show you guys. Let's come take a look. Guys, for stopping by and checking out my newest listing. If you have any questions regarding the property, feel free to reach out to me via text or email. And remember, I serve my country honorably. Now let me serve you with all of your real estate needs.